The Democratic Party has no leadership. The party hasn't had real leadership since Obama was president. We thought that Hillary was going to win. She didn't. She disappeared. Biden was, by all accounts, a lame duck president. Kamala said she was going to be the next leader of the Democratic Party and lead the entire country, and we haven't heard from her since Trump took office. Where I'm at is, as a Democratic leader, if you say that you're going to run the country, if you think that you're worthy of my vote, and I voted for Hillary and I voted for Kamala, I want you to play the long game. This isn't just one election cycle and you don't win and then you just go home and write your books and get your book deals and do your speaking gigs. I want you to actually care long-term about America because we were relying on you and we've installed no leadership. And so until the new leader is installed, we need you to get out and actually help us with something. So leaders, where are you at to get out and actually help us with something?
First of all, let me say something to you, Attorney Hillary. Let me tell you why. This sounds so egregious. We need Kamala Harris to get off of her ass and do something, even though the American people rejected her, lied on her, questioned her race, said that she was a DI hire, questioned her credentials, questioned her resume, questioned everything about this woman, said that she had no policies, even though they were on her website. And anytime they asked her a question during any type of interview, anytime she was on TV, she always pivoted back to her policy and how this was going to actually help the working class. But because it was too progressive and because it was too aimed towards black and brown people, I'm not going to vote for that. But what we need is Kamala Harris to get off of her fat black, and she needs to get out here and she needs to represent the Democratic Party so that we can use her for the next 4 years so that we can install the next leadership, the next white person. And then we're going to send Kamala on her black asking way and we're going to say, see, we need to vote like black women, but we never will vote for the black woman. Kamala don't owe y'all enough. Y'all always want black women to work for mother free and never have to benefit off of the work that they put in. We need black women to do this. We need a 92 to do this. White women, how the fuck you don't do it? Y'all had this whole white woman Zoom call for Kamala, right? Y'all drug each other for the first 30 minutes of the fucking Zoom talking about how white women don't do shit. You did not do the work. You didn't have the hard goddamn conversations on how this election was supposed to turn out. You did not talk to your parents. You did not talk to your brother. You didn't talk to your racist ass husband. A lot of y'all asses didn't do real damn work while black women had to do this on their own. Then you got the mother nerve to say, hey, black woman, even though we didn't vote for you, even though we rejected you, even though every chance we get, we try to destroy you or sully your fucking name so that you won't run again, we want you to do something again for us for free. No. Lastly, let me say this. We already have Democratic leadership, elected leadership. Representative Jasmine Crockett is doing something, educating the damn people. You got AOC doing her part. Tish James is filing lawsuits against Donald Trump. We have leadership. How about we support the people in office who are doing the work at this moment rather than asking Kamala Harris to do some free and y'all not elect her? Because I'm sick of this shit. I'm tired of y'all using this damn woman. I'm tired of y'all attacking this damn woman. She does not owe y'all.
Are white people gaslighting Kamala Harris? No, because let's talk about it, ladies and gentlemen. But first things first, hi, my name is Natkunda Esther. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Okay, for those of you that have been with me since day one, thank you. But 13,000 of y'all, mwah, love you. Now let's get into it. And I want to know, let me know in the comment section what you think about the situation now. So it looks like it's Kamala Harris's fault that she is not president. I don't think that was the case when Trump was not president. I don't know if white people right now feel like they need a savior. Like,
hey, white people, I heard them orange fields was open for y'all to go work now. They took all y'all's jobs, now they gone. Y'all jobs is wide open now. You about to go pick an orange? Somebody said you can't even last in the sun. Ooh. What kind of spirituals y'all about to sing? All them jobs is wide open for you, baby. Go get them. Y'all about to go clean them hotels. Y'all about to do all types of stuff. They get paid by the pound. Y'all gonna need unions, AC breaks, 15 minutes. Y'all gonna cook in that motherfucking sun. This what y'all voted for. This what y'all voted for. Oh, they was taking all the jobs. You should be rolling in the dough right now. All them jobs is open. All of them. Go get them. Go get them in the sun. I want to see y'all. I want to drive by in my shit and see y'all in the fucking field picking oranges. That's what I want to see.
I really thought Trump, the number one interests at heart that he had was of those that are white, right? And clearly, he has good interests at heart for white people. I mean, if you look at everything that Trump has put in place, the laws that he's signing, the things that he's doing away with, he is making things easier for white people, right? And this is a white lady. And I am asking myself from the depth of my heart, how is this Kamala's problem that she did not get enough votes? Well, I think if white people cared so much for Kamala Harris to be their savior, they should have made her president. But I mean, if you look at the votes, a lot of white people voted for Trump. And okay, if let's say now the situation that they are in as white people, some of them, they're like, oh, no, Trump is going to take away from this. And Kamala was giving us this. Oh, Biden was giving us this. Oh, we were holding on to these things. Okay. How is Kamala Harris going to come and save y'all? You know, I really feel like it's always an expectation that a black woman or a black person is going to come and save everyone. Because like I feel like Kamala had a lot of dreams and hopes that she would have wanted to make true for her own people, right? And when I say for her own people, I don't think the Democrats really put laws in place that are favoring only black people. Because if it was the Democrats, it's for the Democrats. It's not like Trump that, Republicans, but then Mexicans out. Oh, Asians out. No. But then the people that were supposed to make it happen for Kamala Harris to be in the seat are the ones that are calling for her rescue when they didn't do enough. How is that Kamala Harris's problem? Honestly, it feels like it's gaslighting. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. She is part of the 92% now. You know why? Because let her go and make some money, stress-free, without caring about white people that have these needs. I mean, I'm sure they're about to come on the internet complaining for ice cream at this point. Oh, Kamala, you hard to get us ice cream. Where are you? Y'all, let her go write best-selling. Let her actually, she should write about the presidency, dealing with Trump and white people and everything. Yeah, let her write bestseller, New York Times bestseller. Yeah. Let her make money that way. Girl needs to chill. She is in her 92% era. Like, can Kamala chill? Like, can she relax? Give a lady a break, y'all.
We need you to get out and actually help us with something.
First of all, let me say something to you, attorney.
I think it's best that I log off of TikTok for the rest of the day. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Y'all can go and check out Kenny's video. He handled this. But, yeah, can you still have PMS even though you're in menopause? Because I'm in a mood today.